Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to unbox and I'll go through the setup process and I'll give my initial review of this. And I don't know how the brand name is pronounced. Maybe Aroeve or Aroeve, I'm not sure. But this is their True HEPA Air Purifier, and the model on this one is MK01. But before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions, and make sure that you read through all of the information on the box and any paperwork that comes inside of the box before you go through the setup process for this air purifier or before you use this air purifier. Okay, I'm going to get you a closer look at all of the sides of the box, and then I will unbox this air purifier and we'll go from there. Okay, now I'm going to unbox the air purifier. And with the packaging, make sure that you recycle what you can and dispose of the rest properly. And you might want to take the plastic bag off before you take the air purifier out of the box, just because this plastic bag makes it a little hard to grab onto the air purifier, so you don't want to, accidentally have it slip out of your hands. So you might want to take the plastic bag off of the air purifier before you take it out of the box. That way maybe, you can get a better grip on the air purifier to get it out of the box. And there is important information on the bag that was around the air purifier, so make sure that you read through this information. Here is the first look at the air purifier. And make sure that you read through the user manual and the additional paperwork before you go through the setup process or use the air purifier. Okay, I'm going to read through the user manual and this additional paperwork now, and then I'll be back and we'll go from there. Okay, so there's some information right here. It says, before use for the first time, please take out the filter to unpack it, then fit it back. Okay, so I'm going to do that right now, and anytime you do any type of like maintenance on the air purifier, you want to make sure that it's both turned off and unplugged. And this air purifier is both turned off and unplugged. Okay, I'm going to get you a better view of how I take the filter out of this air purifier. Okay, so I'm just going to gently turn the air purifier over. And then gently set it down here. And there are some arrows here letting you know that if you turn this bottom lid this direction, it's going to unlock the bottom lid. And if you turn the bottom lid this direction, it's going to lock the lid. So I'm going to gently turn the bottom lid counterclockwise just a little bit until it stops like that. And now I can lift the bottom lid off. I'm just going to gently set it down. Here is the filter. So I just gently took that out of the air purifier. And it's in a bag here. So I need to take it out of this bag. Okay. And there is important information on the bag that was around the filter, so make sure that you read through this information. And I'm just going to, here's what the filter looks like. And I'm just looking in the air purifier here just to make sure that there is nothing else inside of there. And I don't see anything. So now I'm going to put the filter in. And this filter, I don't see, there's not any writing on it or anything that tells me if there's an up or a down. And I didn't see anything in the user manual about it either. So I'm just going to put the filter in. And I want to show you this. There's just kind of a part, kind of a circular part in the middle at the bottom there that the filter is going to fit around. Okay, and I'm just going to fit the filter into the bottom of the air purifier here. And I'm just gently making sure that it's secured in place. And then I'm going to put the bottom lid back on. And I'm just kind of lining it up so it fits into place with where these arrows are and where this arrow is. And then I'm just going to gently turn it until it locks into place. I'm just holding on to the air purifier with the other hand. And you want to be careful because there are pinch points. So I'm just going to turn this clockwise just a little bit until it stops, until the bottom lid is secured into place. And you just want to make sure that the bottom lid is secured all the way into place. Okay, now I'm going to gently turn the air purifier back over and just gently set it down. Okay, so right here is the aroma chamber, and you can put essential oil inside of the aroma chamber, and I'm going to show where that's done shortly. But before you do that, you want to make sure that the air purifier is both turned off and unplugged, which this air purifier is. Okay, so to open the aroma chamber, I'm just going to gently slide this lid here this direction, just a little bit, like that. And then I can lift the lid up like this, okay? Now I'm going to show you the other side so we can see where the essential oil is added. Okay, so here is the pad inside of the aroma chamber. And it says in the user manual that you can add 4 to 5 drops of essential oil. And it does not talk about how to clean the pad in the user manual, but you don't want to mix different essential oils. So just be aware of that. I'm not sure if you can buy a replacement pad or if this pad can be washed. I haven't looked into that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to close the lid to the aroma chamber. Okay, and you want to be careful because there are pinch points, and I'm just going to gently close the lid to the aroma chamber. And then I'm going to gently slide the lid back this direction until it's secured into place. And I'm just using my other hand, I'm placing it on the air purifier just to help hold it in place. And I'm just going to slide the lid back into place. And you just want to make sure that it's secured all the way into place. Okay, so there is a plastic piece here on the end of the power cord. I'm just going to remove that and set that off with the other packaging for now. Okay, so I'm just going to take this off of the power cord. And I'll be right back. I'm going to plug the power cord in, and then we'll take a look at the different controls here. Okay, and before I plug the air purifier in, I'm just going to remove this sticker here, just since I already followed the information on this sticker. And when you do plug the air purifier in, make sure that you plug the power cord to the air purifier in both safely and securely and into an indoor outlet. I'm going to do that now, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to turn the air purifier on by gently pressing the power button right here. And when I do that, the air purifier will turn on to level 1. I'm going to gently press the power button now. Okay, so this is level 1. And I'm going to gently press the power button again, and the air purifier will go to level 2. I'm going to gently press the power button now. Okay, this is level 2. Okay, now when I press the power button again, it will go to sleep mode. And I'm going to gently press the power button again now. And this is sleep mode. And now when I press the power button again, the air purifier will turn off. I'm going to gently press the power button again now. Okay, I'm going to turn the air purifier back on. And the next button is right here, and that will turn the LED light on and off and the mood light on and off. And there are a few different options, so we'll go through them. So currently the LED light is on. So if I press this button again right here, now the mood light is on, and I'm going to show you guys that. Okay, it's daytime, so it's harder to see, but this is where the mood light is. I shut the curtains behind me, so this maybe gives a little bit better view of where the mood lights are. And if I press this button again, both the LED light and the mood light are on. And then if I press this button again, both the LED light and the mood light are off. Okay, and the next button is right here, and this is the timer reset button. So if I gently press the timer reset button one time, the 6-hour light lights up there, and the machine will turn off automatically after 6 hours. And then if I gently press this button again, now the light underneath 12 hours lights up. So the machine will automatically turn off after 12 hours. And if I press this button again, now there is no timer set. And in the user manual, it talks about after the air purifier has been used for 2,000 hours, that this light will turn on right here. And it's supposed to be a red indicator light, letting you know that it's time to change the filter. Please refer to the user manual for that information. And once you have changed the filter in your air purifier, in order to turn off that red indicator light, it talks about in the user manual to gently press and hold this button for 2 seconds to turn the red indicator light off. Okay, I'm going to turn the air purifier off. All right, guys, so I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And here's my initial review of this air purifier. And like I said, I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce the name. It might be Aroeve, it might be Aroeve, I'm not sure. But they're True HEPA Air Purifier model MK01. I think that this is a nice air purifier. I like that it has different options. I like the timer options for the 6-hour and the 12-hour. That's a nice option to have. I like the aroma chamber, the option to be able to add an essential oil. And I also like how it has the LED light and it has the mood light, and you're able to have either of them on, one of them on, or have them both on, or have them both off. I think that that is a nice option to have. I like that it has a couple different levels for when you turn the air purifier on, and I also like that there's a sleep mode. There's a lot of nice features on this air purifier. I think that the setup process was really easy in my opinion. And I do like the look of this air purifier. And I think that this is a nice size air purifier depending on the size room that you're trying to use it in. So it is a smaller air purifier, so it needs to be used in the right size room. And I do hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.